remember in the beginning I said we needed a fork. Everyone's like, well, what's the fork for? Well, not only is the fork for eating, which is probably what I'm going to definitely do. Not probably, I'm definitely going to eat this food. But it's also to break up the Romano cheese when you put it into the pan. So here we are. We're going to start with 2 cups of Romano cheese. And we're going to put the Romano cheese into the sauce. And actually, Romano cheese is actually what thickens up the cream. As the cream starts to boil, if you can see here, it starts to boil up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and put the cheese inside there. We're going to add the cheese. And start mixing it a little bit with the fork. Get it going. Nice and fattening. Yes. So this is just such a great sauce, and it's so easy to make. I'll tell you, you will get so stuffed and full off this meal, and your guests are gonna love it. Such an easy sauce to make. I love showing people how to make this stuff. We're gonna take our whisk. We're gonna mix it up a little bit. Get the cheese in there. Keep it going. Just mix it up. Break up whatever cheese is in there. Keep it going. It's starting to form a little bit. It'll be up there for a few more minutes. As we leave it, we're gonna check our pasta and kind of see where we're at there. All right, that's good. None of it. See if you look, pasta, none of it's sticking. It's cooking really very, very good. It's cooking excellent.